Welcome back to another video where today I am here with Joshua and he is doing what I call the handcuff challenge. Now he's going to be playing Rainbow Six Siege while playing on his handcuffs.
I highly doubt I'm going to do it, but okay.
Yeah, let's see how he does.
My brother put me there.
Chico.
Oh, go over there right next to John.
Yeah, look at, we're making a video right now.
What the heck?
Okay, so look at him right now doing his magic.
Concentrated.
Yeah, so concentrated yet dedicated to stop using the handcuffs. He's like, okay, I gotta try to do this without handcuffs. Well, you could do that on there too. Oh, that's actually a pretty good idea. And then put it back, Katie.
You have to put it by the entrances, or else they're not gonna get, like, you know, killed. So, for example, get out the way.
Oh my gosh, you gotta give me the dude just.
Get out the way. There we go. I need to tap this up and then we're ready. Just camp somewhere. Isn't there a doorway? Yeah, I was gonna say.
Isn't it adorable? What?
Board this up. Wait, click there. Wait, what? See, this is how difficult it is.
They have a bear trap for humans.
See what I mean? Forward the phone. Look,
what's that
person
smell?
Right there, look. It's going beside you.
Ooh, you saw that even with handcuffs.
Run from the scene. Skinning arms arrived. Hit them.
You're not gonna get that.
Run from the scene, no!
No, he died.
I gotta kill.
Using it.
I gotta kill. I gotta kill. You can't. Just have
okay, yeah. At least he got a kill. At least he got a kill.
Just got one kill.
So, anyways, that will be all for today, folks. Goodbye.